nature kind of knows how to do things, yeah. It knows what planets go where. It knows when the flowers are gonna come out. The flowers know when it's time to do what they do. Yeah, our bodies do what they do all the time. And it's really like, rather than coming away with a lot of intellectual information and ideas about how to do stuff, it's really a journey of like connecting with your own nature. Like, it definitely is a journey of personal development and growth, I would say, but not from a perspective of like, this is how you should be if you're a whole or spiritual person. It's really like, who are you? Yeah, who are you longing to be? And if we look at the laws of nature, or how our biology is kind of functioning on the subtle levels of energy, if we look at how that works, so that you have access to boundless energy,